What is our legacy for the future? Let's build a legacy that can impact the future. Join the Global Reputation Forum.
Hi, I'm Wouter Kellerman, 3 times Grammy-winning flutist, composer, producer, and philanthropist. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been involved in organizing. You are doing amazing work.
This has been an amazing experience. We've started from this morning at the Islington Council, where we had fantastic panels talking about what reputation and integrity means.
It takes a lot to make an event like this happen, to bring so many people from all across the globe for a conversation like this. So especially to the team, thank you so much for what you're doing.